Crude oil and net gas both traded in a narrow zone with little swings, neither showing the bullish intent or nor trying to break out here or break down here. Can we expect a breakout move here in oil and gas? And if yes, which direction it's gonna be? Can we expect oil to break beyond the critical milestone at 68, 68.4? Or it is going to drop below 65 while natural gas is almost struggling to break below $4 levels, the critical support now. What to expect from oil and gas today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Oil on the hourly charts yesterday, what did I discuss? That 67.6 appears to be a wall, and what has happened hitting the wall? It is reversed, and now very important to point to note that 65.5, 65.2, 66.5, 66.2. These are the levels. Yesterday we discussed that this is going to be the prime support. What has happened? It has taken the support and bounced back. So can we say that now the lows are done, and can we look forward to a recovery here in oil prices, which is going to take it all the way towards 68? See, right now on the hourly charts, moving averages have crossed over for a sell, and it is struggling to stay beyond 67. Now 67, 67.6 are the levels which it needs to break. Once it trades above this, certainly you can say bulls are back. Though the stock IC is entering into overbought zone, but the MACD after retracing here has now crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness looking upwards. RSI rising, again good sign for the bulls here. On the 2 hour, the observation is similar on the 2 hour chart. See, after forming double bottom, oil prices are now looking upwards, delivering higher lows and higher highs. And now it is very, very important for oil to trade beyond 67, 67.2 and then 67.6. If these levels are taken, you can say this is a reversal. Though the moving averages have crossed over, but right now I can see it trading flat after this greater retracement here on the downside. But most importantly, see, the critical factor here is it has respected the support at 66.5, 66.2. Yesterday we have discussed in both the updates. This is going to remain the prime support. It has respected this. The stochastic rising, good sign here for the bulls. The MACD is trying to converge, not yet crossing over. Right now trading bearish, not yet signaling a reversal. RSI is looking forward to a recovery. While when you look at the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See, now the momentum or movement is positioned around the 20 period and 50 period moving average. Notice that the moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. That could confirm a reversal, and now this is possible that in the next week, when the day starts, when the week starts, it may try to open on a bullish note and trade above 68 or in fact 70 levels soon. Right now, not willing to give up here. See, bullish bearish candles are bigger in size, and now the retracement candles are trading with a smaller body size. That's very, very important for it to trade beyond 67, 67.2 and then 67.5, 67.6 levels, only above which you can expect the bullishness to prevail. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising from the oversold. The MACD after the crossover, trading with divergence and bearishness, it is looking downward. The rise retracement, we have to wait for it to again crossover on the buy side. Right now it is staying on the sell side. RSI looking forward to a recovery here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. Rise retracement, see, it is consolidated at 66, then rise retracement, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. This is a moderate bullish channel here. Yes, after forming this double bottom, it is trying to retrace, and possibly if not this week, then next week we may see it trading above 68 and $70 levels, the critical resistance zone. Also notice that this is a consolidation zone here. See, after every drop it consolidates, and a breakout below 65 is anyways a sign of a correction, a sharp correction which you can wait in crude oil prices. Yes, below 65, which is almost a couple of years low, what we had seen in the last couple of years, oil has never breached below 65, 64.88, and thus a move below this is where you can say now again a stronger correction which might take us all the way towards 62, 60 can be seen. Stochastic at bottom here, the MACD is almost flat at neutral line, and RSI is flat as well. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, notice what has happened yesterday. See, it is still respecting higher lows and higher highs. Also, what has happened, double bottom is formed and it is trying to retrace. But notice, see, if you look at the move here, see, series of bearish candle, one bullish candle, couple of retracement candles, couple of bullish candles, then couple of retracement candles might appear. And today, if you see, it is staying below 66.5, 66.2 and then 65.8. If these two levels are taken, remember, oil is looking forward to a greater down move here. It has waited for the 20 period moving average to come out. It is almost hit the, appears to be getting bit difficult to break past this, and thus today if it breaks now below 66, 65.8, you can expect a round of drop which might take it towards 65.4 and 65 levels. Stochastic is rising here. See, the important thing is the MACD, which is dropped sharp and now willing to crossover. This crossover can lead to reversal. RSI is comfortable. So we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels, and before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries, and if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first thing is where to buy. I will recommend a buy at 67 levels. Here you can expect 67.25, 67.3 as the first target level, and if that is taken, then 67.5, 67.6. Now you know the value or the worth of 67.5, 67.6. If it trades above 67.6, stay bullish for 68. Yes, the critical number, because beyond that we are again looking forward to 68.4, and if it breaks 68.4 any point of time today and next week, you can expect that we are now looking at 70, 70.5 and then 73 levels. Right now, the momentum is not very much in favor of such a stronger rise. On the downside now, I will recommend a selling entry at 66.5, but then 66.2 is the level it needs to break, and then 65.8. If these two levels are taken, that is 66.2 and 65.8, I think it is not going to come back up again. Stay short. We are looking forward to 65.4, 65, and then below 65 we are looking forward to a greater down move, this time taking the prices all the way to a 63.8 and 62.5 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to natural. See, natural gas traded with swings here, hitting the highs at 4.2 and the lows at 4. So yes, it has shown a good swing. Most importantly, it has failed to stay below 4, and we have seen this rise. So it appears that it is trying to now trade with this expanding zone here, and thus very important for net gas to first trade above 4.1. If you see it is staying above 4.1, you can initiate a buying entry and expect it to move towards 4.16, 4.2. And if 4.2 is taken, stay bullish for 4.3 levels as well very soon. But 4.2, 4.3 is going to offer a greater resistance. Stochastic is rising. The MACD have crossed over. It is trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is flat. On the 2 hour, also notice we have seen the beginning of the week with a gap up opening at 4.2, 4.4, and there's a possibility of prices closing with a doji at around 4.2 cannot be denied, but it requires a stronger force now for the net gas to move towards 4.4. Appears very difficult, and thus in fact if you see it is staying above 4.1, you can take a buying entry for 4.1415, 4.18, 4.2, and then 4.25 levels. Beyond this you can see a good rise. Moving average is crossing over here, that is the 50 and 100 period. Another bearish sign it is, though the stochastic is at bottom, and the MACD after hitting the bottom, it is trading with little bullishness here after the crossover. RSI running flat. On the 3 hour charts, and see what has happened, prices retraced towards 20 period. 20 period offered a great resistance, and then we have seen prices reversing again. Now notice also here, if you see the momentum movement here, 4.04 offered a very good support for natural gas, and if it trades below 4.04, you can expect 4, and once it trades below 4, that is the point of time you can confirm the bears are back here in net gas, which can take the prices all the way towards 3.94 and 3.8. The crossover here in the moving averages definitely is on the sell side, and the zone here at 4.2, 4.3 is definitely going to be the strongest resistance zone on the upside. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is at a bottom here, it is not yet crossed over though. RSI is running flat, and on the 4 hour, the observation here is more or less same. Almost a flat base is created, and thus the next move is something you should watch out for. A move beyond 4.1, 4.1415 and 4.2 should confirm a reversal. Yes, this could mean a reversal as it has formed a flat base. It could try to bounce back, but also notice a breakout is going to bring strong bearish momentum. Why? Because see, already we have seen a good enough rise, and also it is now coming out of the bullish channel here, which is not a good sign. Though it is still delivering higher lows, yet I can see the resistance on the upside acting very strong, and thus 4.2, 4.3 zone is going to be the prime resistance. Beyond this, 4.4 levels should appear. Stochastic comfortable, the MACD is trading sharply bearish, the RSI is flat at bottom. On the daily, now when you look at daily charts, the rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement, further bigger rise and bigger retracement. Also notice in all the 3 times you have seen it just staying at around 20 period moving average and not willing to stay below. Today's candle will decide the direction it wants to take. A drop below $4 level should confirm a greater down move, which can in fact take the prices towards 3.94 and 3.8 levels. Yes, the stochastic is oversold. The important part is the MACD, which is crossed over at the top here, and see on MACD there is lot much of downside is available for net gas, and thus once it trades below 4.04 dollar levels, you can expect a greater correction. RSI has dropped here. So considering this, first where you should buy, I will only recommend you to buy at 4.1, 4.12 zone. Expect it to move towards 4.1516 first, 4.2 the second, and if it trades beyond 4.2, stay bullish for 4.245 and 4.3. Any move beyond 4.3 is a clear sign of a greater rise all the way towards 4.44, 4.5 zone appears difficult as of now. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 4.04 levels. Expect 4 as the critical support, and if it trades below 4, I will be looking forward to 3.9495, the first target zone, and below 3.9495, the next targets for net gas in the near future is going to be towards 3.8 levels. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it.